Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Tushar and I have recently graduated from RV College of Engineering with a gold medal. In all my student life, I have been consistent with my grades, and this video will help you to be consistent in your academics. I have divided the video into three parts. The first part is mastering effective study techniques. Understand the syllabus and exam format. That is, know the topics and their weightage, and then you can determine the importance of that topic. And in certain colleges, there is multiple internals and they take best of 2 out of 3. So you can prepare in that way. Or else, in your semester end exams, you might have OR options in your certain question. So even if you don't know the above one, you might know the other one. So you can prepare accordingly. And certain questions won't have any OR options or anything. So those topics are more important than the topics which have OR option. And similarly, the exam format. So it might be multiple choice questions or quiz or fill in the blanks or match the following or anything else or descriptive. So if you know it beforehand, you can prepare it accordingly. The second point would be to create a structured study plan. That is to set weekly goals and break down your whole syllabus into smaller chunks. And then you have to set deadlines and you have to abide by them. That will bring up discipline and even consistency in your whole life. The third point is active learning strategies. In this, you can always try to make key points. This provides you a quick revision while your time of exam. And like before your exams, always try to practice previous year questions, as most of the questions are similar and similar type of questions may come, or even if you're lucky, same questions may also come. Heading to the second part, staying organized and focused. Here, the first point is to organize study materials and notes. You can ask your teachers, your seniors for study materials and notes. And if you write the notes, make key points and make it easy to understand. You can use your devices such as laptops, mobile phones to organize it unit-wise, syllabus-wise, and so on and so forth. This will make it better and easy while you are trying to study. The second point is to attend classes regularly, make up notes, key points which are helpful later on. And if you have any doubts, you can ask it there itself to the professors. And try to listen as much as possible and understand the stuff in the classroom itself, as it is better than mugging it up later and forgetting while writing the exams. The third point is the time management skills. So you need to go through every topic and then allocate the study time based on the difficulty. Assume if integration is more difficult than some algebraic equation, then you need to allocate more time on integration, like studying integration, rather than on algebraic equations. And similarly, while writing exams, you need to be careful in what topic or what descriptive answer takes more time than the other, and you should go through it and you should allocate your time accordingly. If it is a 3-hour exam and one question will take 1 hour, so it is up to you that you write it first or last. And if the marks are very less and it is very lengthy, then you can assume it that you can do it later and do the rest of the things first and get at least a good score. Heading towards the third and final part, that is health, balance and support. One of the most important things is health. You should always take care of it, and it is not to be forgotten due to your academics, as it impacts a lot on your academics. So try to get a good night's sleep, that is 6 to 8 hours. This improves your concentration. Try to play some games, do some exercise in gym, as all these improves your focus also. Point number 2 would be to form study groups, that is to form study groups among friends or your peers. This will help you to socialize. This will sort of be a fun activity to do while studying, which will help you overall. And if you teach someone something, you tend to remember it more longer than you reading it on your own. The final point would be consistent review. That is, you need to analyze your past mistakes and work on them, so that those mistakes at least don't happen again and again. Always try to make new mistakes every time. So this is it from my side, and hope you like the video. Please do like, share, subscribe.